Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down complex health topics so they're easy to understand. I'm Claire, a pharmacist here to help you learn about medications and health. Today's topic is all about men using CLOMID for male subfertility. If you've heard of CLOMID but thought it was just for women, you're not alone. Male subfertility means a reduced ability to cause pregnancy. It's different from infertility, which means an inability to conceive after trying for a year or more. Common causes include low sperm count, poor sperm motility, or abnormal sperm shape. CLOMID, or clomiphene citrate, is typically used for women, but can also be used off-label for men. It works by blocking estrogen receptors in the brain, signaling the body to produce more luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. In men, LH stimulates testosterone production, and FSH is involved in sperm production. By increasing these hormones, CLOMID helps boost testosterone levels and can improve sperm count and quality. This can be a game changer for men with low sperm counts or low testosterone levels. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more health insights. Stay informed and take care. Bye for now.